Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome to another session of learning through quizzes. And in this quiz, we shall be doing grammatical category. So let's dive in. This test what you learned on the grammatical category lesson. Number 1. Grammatical category is related to A. Word indexation, B. Word agreement, C. Calligraphic form. Answer? It's letter B. Word agreement. Grammatical category is related to word agreement. Number 2. Only blank can be affected by the grammatical category known as number. A. Nouns, B. Adverbs, C. Adjectives. Answer is letter A. Nouns. Only nouns can be affected by the grammatical category known as number. Number 3. Possessive is a value of the grammatical category called A. Number, B. Case, C. Gender. Answer is letter B. Case. Possessive is a value of the grammatical category called case. Number 4. Modern English uses blank gender. A. Grammatical, B. Political, C. Natural. Answer is letter C. Natural. Modern English uses natural gender. Number 5. The grammatical category person is a property of pronouns and has blank values. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3. Answer is letter C. 3. The grammatical category person is a property of pronouns and has 3 values. Number 6. Tense is a grammatical category that applies to A. Verbs, B. Adverbs, C. Adjectives. Answer is letter A. Verbs. Tense is a grammatical category that applies to verbs. Number 7. Continuous and perfect are examples of the grammatical category known as A. Tense, B. Mood, C. Aspect. Answer is letter C. Continuous and perfect are examples of the grammatical category known as aspect. Number 8. The subjunctive mood expresses blank. A. A statement of fact, B. Unreality, C. Something desired. Answer is letter C. Something desired. The subjunctive mood expresses something desired. Number 9. Voice is a grammatical category affecting A. Transitive verb, B. Intransitive verbs, C. All verbs. Answer is letter A. Transitive verb. Voice is a grammatical category affecting transitive verb. And number 10, last item, blank can be affected by the grammatical category known as degree. A. Gradable adverbs, B. Non-gradable adverbs, C. All adjectives. Answer is letter A. Gradable adverbs. Gradable adverbs can be affected by the grammatical category known as degree. Alright, that's all for the quiz. Share your score in the comments below and let us know how you did. Thank you for practicing through quizzes with English Tutor Hub official channel. See you in my next video.